Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to redeem Roblox codes. So let's get started. First, open your computer and go to your browser. Do not use the Roblox app. Then, head over to roblox.com and sign into your account. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the home page. Now, go to the URL bar at the top, double-click on it, and remove the word Home. After that, type promo codes as one word and press enter. This will bring you to the official Roblox promo code redemption page. Here, you can enter any active promo codes you found. These are often shared in videos or websites. For example, entering a code like TweetBlocks and clicking redeem will give you a free item if the code is still valid. Another example could be Spider Cola, though not all codes work forever, so some might be expired. These codes usually give virtual goods like accessories or gear for your avatar. And remember, this method works on both mobile and desktop as long as you use the browser and not the Roblox app. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.